Well, students have to learn lot of skills, intangible and tangible. At intangible level, you can say that they learn critical thinking skills, problem solving skills, out of box thinking, learning skills. At a tangible level, they have to learn R programming, for example, predictive modeling, simulation, then data visualization, prompt engineering, and entrepreneurial cognition, which is a very recently developed skill that promotes out of box thinking. So, I mean, these are just illustrative list of skills. That's how the students are trained. So, there is absolutely solving complex problems require collaborative work, because solutions to complex problem draws upon multiple disciplines and must use advanced technologies and tools. So, not a job for one person.